Hello, today I'll be showing you how to use YouTube Studio. So first you want to type in studio.youtube.com. Hit enter. Once you do that, it should bring you up to your channel dashboard. And here you can see your channel analysis and 41 subscribers, the current subscribers, 817 up, and then your top videos. And then latest comments, published videos, and recent subscribers. So that's basically what this is in the latest video performance. Then content, that's basically all your videos that you're doing and all the likes and views. See? And you can edit them and you can view them on YouTube and see their comments and the analysis. Then you can show the playlists, and you can add a playlist over here. You can show your YouTube performance right over here. You can see how much views you had, 71, and how much subscribers. That's 41. And yeah. And then when you're in analysis, yeah, you can see the dates, and it's updating live, so you get live results. Right here you can see your comments. And when you're in your latest comments, you can see comments held for review, which if they're bad or something, you can approve them. And then you can add subtitles on your videos, basically closed captions. Make sure it's English. Then you can see all your copyright. Nothing to see yet, that should be. And then if you were making money, and right here is the big part. You can add a channel trailer. You can add widgets, which is those things in your channel. I can show you right here. If I go to my channel, the internet, and pause this video. And these are the widgets like Honey's Kids, Keeper's Kings, and Taking Over. You can add those, and you just add section right here. And then you can go to branding. You can change your profile picture, your banner image, and your watermark. And then your basic info, you can change your name. Then you can change your logo description and 2 links to share with your viewers. And then you can copy your basic channel URL. You can check out my Gmail if you have any questions. Yeah, and then you can go to settings and stuff. And yeah, that's basically YouTube Studio. So if you have any questions, just you can contact me at robinjacobg@gmail.com. Okay, see you next video. Bye.